Okay, let's trade the New Zealand CAD. Beautiful trade. We put the lipstick on in the trade group so everybody understands what's happening. And there we have it. Another phenomenal trade. We're going to break that down step by step, show you how we make money so you too can make money from home. Here's a disclaimer, it's required by law. And just so you know, we enter all trades at our own risk. Let's get to it. Let's see how this exceptionally phenomenal trade played out. Okay, traders, let's have a look at this exceptionally beautiful trade. As you can see, what does the market do? It goes up, comes down, goes up. With dust goes down, and now it's going back up. Okay, very, very, very interesting. Here it is. Here's the piece. This is the trade that we took. Okay, and something, I mean, it broke this level up, came back below, and then went back above it. Why was this trade so interesting? Where is this? How does the strategy, we're looking here on the 4-hour chart, how do we apply price action? Because that's what our trading strategy is. It's price action. How do we apply it to this trade? That's what we're going to be looking at, guys. Let's get to it. Let's put the lipstick on. Okay, guys, what we've done real quick, I just want you guys to keep up with the situation here. We've dropped to the 1-hour chart. Okay, we were here, and we've dropped to here. Remember, we actually trade on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so I'm just stepping down so you can see what the chart looks like as you step down. So again, this was what we traded. This was the anticipation for the trade. Okay, and it was as we was in this area of anticipation that I actually put the drawing in the trade group to put the guys on alert for the expectation. Anticipation leads to expectation. So let's go a bit further into detail, putting the actual lipstick on now, where I saw the trade setting up and I was like, okay, let's get busy. Okay, let's do that right now. Okay, just to show you guys, I put a little bit of lipstick on, and just want to point this out to you real quick. Here, we failed. The trade went up, down, down, up, down, down. But we just didn't get the follow through, right? Up, down, down, up, broke structure, broke the trend line. Typically, we expect it to continue on, right? It didn't happen. So listen, no strategy is 100%, okay? There are failings, but what we see here is it would continue going up and we put another trend line on. Okay, sometimes you need to do that. So don't just give up. Many people give up. Don't give up on a trade. If you think the trade is highly probable, stick with it. And, you know, another opportunity could present itself. Okay, so we're just going to put the lipstick on now and work with. All right, guys, so let's go through this step by step. Here, we're on the hour chart. It's going to look so different on the 15-minute chart. So, yeah, we're still in the hour chart. I'll go through on the hour chart because it's quicker, and then we can drop to the 15 and you can take a look. But you're looking at this side of the screen over here, and we're going to see what follows. But this is the picture in the run-up to this situation. Okay, and let's go. So here we have it. This trade is so beautiful that I'm so happy to be able to share it with you. There we go. So price comes across, breaks the trend line. Many times I've told you I'm already in. I'm already in this trade. Nonetheless, though, look, It goes on. It goes on. Take profit at the 200 fib. I typically do that all the time because that 200 fib can be resistance. And in this case, it proves to be. But nonetheless, this trade is going on. So we've got the fib is on. Okay. Pullback entry. Oh, look at that. 50% fib. It goes back there twice. And it then drops again. We enter again. Okay. We enter again at the here we are. We enter again here, but here's your pullback entry. It's right there on the 50% fib. Enter again, boom. So now we've got two positions in this trade. Two positions in this trade. And we're aiming for this target and we're aiming for this target. That's where we're going. When we get there, right? Our trade is gone. Remember, stop loss is up there. Okay, that's where the stop loss is. Let's carry on. Let's see what happens as this exceptionally beautiful trade that you can do at home. Take the computer to Starbucks if you can't work at home. Good Lord, there's free internet in Starbucks. Okay, get connected. Literally make money in your pajamas if you can do it at home. If you can't, well, hop over to Make Money whilst having a coffee. McDonald's, same thing. You get free internet in there. Oh, Lord. Target 1 has been hit. I believe what I did at that time, posted it in the group. Target 1 hit. Beautiful job. Wonderful. Now we'll just wait for target 2. And this is literally how we played it. We played it step by step. And oh, it pulled back. It's getting ready. Now, question is, will it make it to target number 2? But we don't know for sure. We just have to follow along and see what. Oh, oh my goodness. Well, your question's answered. Yes, it made it to target 2. Just an exceptionally beautiful trade. Let me just drop to the 15-minute chart. Oh, let's see. Because on a 15-minute chart, there you are. It looks so different, doesn't it? Look at that. See? On a 15-minute chart, we'd have put we did put a trend line there. So when you put the trend line on it like that, what you see is, oh, look, a bear flag. Yeah, you can look it up. It's textbook. Go into Google, images, type Forex bear flag, and these things will show up, okay? And here it goes again. Typically with a bear flag, now how that works is, okay, is what goes in, boom, what goes in there will typically come out there. And I think we can see that what went in did come out. We hit our mark right there. And it went on a little bit further than the mark. We've done this before. Sometimes the market will go a little bit further. Little bit. Look, that's more money. Look. See? Oh, look, see? Okay. And sometimes it won't. You see? Last time it went so much further. Oh, we're following this arrow. Look. There's 220. So we've gone 30 pips further than it went. It could go more. Let's see. Oh, it's pulled back up. Let's see. Does it drop back down? And you don't know what's going to happen. It could. No, it's gone up and up. Right? Last time we did this on the New Zealand yen, it just went down and down, just more and more money in the pocket. These are just exceptionally beautiful trades. Here's the strategy. You'll play that. Break of the trend line, pull back, entry 1, entry 2, target, boom. Let the market come to pay you, take your profit, and walk away. That's it. That's your job. Trade is done. Simple textbook strategy. We've put it in a book with the rules. We have a Telegram trade group. It's free. You're welcome to come and join us in the group. We post these trades and more. Some guys in the group trade the S&P 500. They trade the DAX. I mean, they all sorts of pairs in stock market, currency indices, whatever, are traded. If you're a beginner and you want to learn, come on board. We'll help you along. It's just so simple. So when lockdown comes around, don't be worried. It's going to give you time. Time is your most valuable asset. If you're out there working for some dude, you're putting money into his pocket, giving him time. He probably at home trading Forex whilst you in the office working for him. Okay. So lockdown, don't be scared of it. You'll have your time back. Here's an opportunity where you can actually learn to make money online. And Forex is just one avenue. There's so many different avenues. If you take this avenue, we are here and we are willing to assist you in that journey. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and all that good. Make a comment if there's something you want to know. Put it in the comment. We'll be sure to respond. And until the next video, okay, I'm going to say goodbye, farewell, wish you the best, and we will be posting more of these exceptional. Thank you again. Bye-bye.